Hey guys, and today I'm going to tell you about our pet chicks. And they are about 4, maybe 5 weeks old. And this is we got a big bag of chicken food right here. It's all crumbly and it's very soft when you do this to it. They've been sleeping up on the top perch up there. And then this is the adult grit that we gave them a little bit of in our last video. But now we found some chick grit. I'm going to show to you. Found some chick grit for them. It's just for them. See? Chicks. About their size. This is their chick grit. 2 more poultry. Then they have these bugs that they like to peck at. And they are just loving the tomatoes. They're also getting very fat, but the little black one is still pretty skinny because those guys are hogging it up. Okay, and our chicks, I'll get that. Our chicks are getting very big. They've got pretty much all their adult feathers. They're acting like they're flying to the very top perch, and it's like flying everywhere. So when we leave, we have to close the doors and open those curtains, and it's like, this is crazy. And they're super big and very fat. They've been eating a lot, and as you can see, that one's I think was drinking the water from that. So they're pretty much getting bigger, and as they get bigger, we're gonna start taking away that. We're gonna start taking away the water, and probably gonna start taking away that and see if they're gonna start getting used to that. And if they don't, we're gonna bring that back in and give them a bit more time. That's how they've been acting. And the black one, she's starting to get a few white feathers, and she's very pretty. But she's not. But I don't think she's gonna be a very big chicken. I think she's gonna be a pretty small chicken. Okay, just this week we went to the Jersey barnyard, and they have little chick guinea fowls that I like to go see. And they have dairy cows and goats and chickens, and they have ducks, and they have like a big like bowl with long horns, and we went, and they have like a donkey and a little miniature horse, and they are a dairy farm, a dairy barn, a dairy farm. And that means they sell things made of milk, and they sell milk. And so my mom likes to go there, and when we go there, she likes to buy like some milk. And sometimes she'll buy some chocolate milk for us, me and my sister. And I like to go see the guinea fowls, and I like to feed the baby cows, and all the other things. So that's and I also know that they're raising miniature goats. they're about this big, and the babies are about this big. And so, yeah, and they've also been sleeping on the top. Our chickens have also been sleeping on the top perch, which is crazy. And they've been pooping everywhere too. So maybe. Done. The reason to keep your coop clean is because you don't want it to smell bad. Poop, all types of poop can attract flies, and you just want a clean coop. So if you keep if you keep letting it build up, then you're gonna have tons of flies, and it's gonna stink, and there's just gonna look all yucky, and that's why you need to scoop your poop every day. Even though I don't like scooping the poop, it keeps the coop clean, and we have healthy chickens, and makes me want to visit more often if it's clean. And so I scoop the poop in this little bin right here that they can't reach until they're older.